So the next chemical is for the practical of evaluation of excipient of natural origin. The next chemical test for the tragacanth. Okay, so we know the tragacanth very well. The synonym of tragacanth is gum tragacanth. Okay, the biological source of this tragacanth, it is obtained from the dried gummy exudation of stem and branches of the astragalus gummifier. Okay, astragalus gummifier, from that it is extracted or obtained, and it is belonging to the family, that is the Leguminaceae. Okay, and talking about its color, so the color, or talking about its physical appearance, so the color is very translucent. The appearance, it occurs as a flakes. Okay, its shape is thin flattened ribbon like flakes are there. Then talking about its odor, it is odor is not there, so that is the odorless. Taste is mucilaginous. Okay, and solubility, talking about the solubility, when you added the water inside it, so it swells. Okay, in the water it form a gelatinous mass only, a little bit portion dissolve, and it is insoluble in alcohol. So it is the speciality of tragacanth, it is insoluble in alcohol. Okay, and size is about 3 centimeter in length and 1.2 centimeter width. And whenever you are talking about its fracture, so it is a short fracture is there. And talking about its chemical constituent, so it contains two fractions, soluble one, that is the tragacanthine. Okay, I will write here that there are two components are there which is soluble, that is called as the tragacanthine. Okay, so I will write it first. Tragacanthine. Okay, so near about 8 to 10%. Okay, and insoluble one, that is the basiorin. Change the pen. Okay, so the tragacanthine is soluble one. This is insoluble, I will write INS. Okay, so the insoluble one is the basiorin, that is 60 to 70%. It contains the near about 60 to 70%. Okay, and this tragacanthine contains mainly the tragacanthic acid. Okay, it is acidic in nature. Tragacanthic acid is there inside it, and on hydrolysis of the acid yield galactouronic acid, galactose and fructose. Starch and protein also found in little quantity inside this tragacanth. Okay, what are the uses of this tragacanth? It is used as the thickening, suspending agent, emulsifying agent, and it is useful in the emollient in various agents. Okay, it acts as emollients in various agents. So there are huge uses of this tragacanth inside the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, so let us perform the test, chemical test for the tragacanth. Students, so today we are going to perform the chemical test, that is for chemical test for acacia, and then the chemical test for tragacanth. Okay, and after that we will do the chemical test for starch. So we are going to perform the chemical test for tragacanth. Okay, sorry. So I will take, firstly we will see the solubility of it. Okay, so for that I am taking the pinch of this powder, tragacanth powder. Okay, and I will add the distilled water in it. Okay, so let's see what happened, either it is soluble or not. So see here, tragacanth is slightly soluble in water. Okay, So it may be there is a presence of tragacanth, okay. So we are not confirm it. So let us heat it, okay. So we will observe what happens. So we are heating it, okay. Okay. So after heating, let us see either it is soluble or not. See here, after heating, it is soluble, but it is not completely soluble, but partially soluble. So there may be a presence of tragacanth inside this. Okay. So now we will treat it with alcohol. Okay. I take this small quantity of the drug, that is tragacanth. Okay, and I will add the alcohol in it. So I added the alcohol. Now let us see either there is a soluble inside this alcohol or not. So it is not soluble inside the alcohol, okay. See, the particles are present here. So it is not soluble. So it means that there is a presence of tragacanth, okay, inside this drug, okay. So the next test. So the next test, in that we are taking the drug, okay. So I am taking the small quantity of drug, okay. Then I will add the iodine solution in it, okay. So when I will add the iodine solution into it, if the green color appears, so it means that there is a absence of starch, okay. So I will add it. Let us observe what happens after adding the iodine solution. Students, the greenish color is appeared inside it, so it means that there is a absence of starch inside the tragacanth, okay. The next test is for the reducing sugar, checking either there is a presence of reducing sugars or not. For that I am taking again the powder of this drug, okay. Then I will add the dilute HCl into it. So I will add the dilute HCl. Okay. I will shake it and then I will heat it in the water bath. So I keep this drug along with dilute HCl inside this water bath. So we will wait for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Now the test for reducing sugar, for that I taken out almost 20 minutes over of this. Okay, so I will add the failing solution A as well as the failing solution B into it. Okay, I will use this. So I will add the failing solution A first. Little amount of failing solution I will add it into it. Okay, so the coloration is appearing. Now I will add the failing solution B. Okay, if the red color is appeared, then we can confirm that yes, there is a presence of reducing sugar inside it. So I will add it. Okay, and again I will keep this test tube for heating. If the red color PPT is appeared, so it means that there is a presence of reducing sugar in the tragacanth. Okay. The red precipitate is observed. It is seen here. Okay. And here also the red PPT is appeared. So it means that there is a presence of reducing sugar inside the tragacanth. Now we will perform the test for the presence of mucilage. For that what we require small quantity of this compound, okay, on the slide. Then I will take the ruthenium red solution. Okay, so I will add 1 to 2 drops of ruthenium red to this. Okay, and I will observe it under the microscope. So I added the ruthenium red on this surface of this slide. Okay, now I will observe it under the microscope. If I observe the pink color particles inside it, it means that there is presence of mucilage inside the tragacanth. See here inside the microscope you will observe the pink coloration, pink red coloration. So it means that there is a presence of tragacanth, there is a presence of mucilage inside the tragacanth. Okay, so see the slide. You will observe the pink coloration. This test by which we can confirm that yes, there is a presence of tragacanth. So I take the compound or the drug, okay, and I will add this iodine solution into it. I am adding the NaOH, sodium hydroxide, into it. Okay, and now I will heat it. Okay, so I added here. And if the canary yellow color is appear, it means that there is a presence of tragacanth, okay, inside the drug. So I kept this, okay, sodium hydroxide solution along with our drug, okay, for heating. In NaOH solution, the NaOH solution is added inside this our drug. Okay, so see here the yellow color is appeared. Okay, canary yellow color. So it means that there is a presence of tragacanth inside the drug. Okay, so this is the chemical test for tragacanth. So the next test, I am taking this compound, okay, and I take this ammonium hydroxide solution, okay, in the measuring cylinder. Okay, so I will add it inside this test tube. So if the stingy precipitate is observed, so it means that there is a presence of tragacanth inside the drug. Okay, so I will add it slightly. Yes, the stingy precipitate is there. See here. So the precipitation occurs. So it means that there is a presence of tragacanth. Okay. Test for that I prepared this 10% ferric chloride solution. I taken our sample, that is the drug here. I will add the 10% of ferric chloride inside it. Okay. So I will added it. I will shake it properly. Then I will boil this solution. Okay. And if the deep yellow color is appeared, it means that there is a presence of tragacanth. So this is the ferric chloride test. This is the test for tannins. Okay, if the yellow PPT is observed, let us see what happened. See students, there is a formation of this yellow PPT is there inside it. Okay, so it means that there is a presence of, there is absence of tannins inside it. Okay, if there is no yellow precipitate is there, then there is tannins are present, but here absence of tannin is there inside the tragacanth.